Hello students, in this video my topic is nature of roots from chapter 4 quadratic equations class 10. Nature of roots, learning outcomes. At the end of this class students are able to know about discriminant of quadratic equation, to know how discriminant determines whether quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots or not, to find the nature of roots of quadratic equation. We have seen that roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given by minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And this discriminant b square minus 4ac determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct roots if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Two distinct roots means two different roots. We know roots of quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Means if this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are two different roots, distinct roots, means roots are real and distinct if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Second is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If this is 0, if b square minus 4ac is 0, this will become minus b plus minus 0 upon 2a. Means minus b by 2a minus b by 2a plus minus 0. If we add 0 to minus b, then we get minus b, 0 minus 0, then we get minus b. Means if b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then equation has two equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then equation has no real roots. That is the nature of roots, that this b square minus 4ac determine the nature of the roots. Nature of roots depends upon the discriminant, and discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real roots. Now we will do some problems based on discriminant and nature of roots. We will find nature of roots, how discriminant determine the nature of roots. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Hence find the nature of roots. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. First of all, we will compare this equation with general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3. Then discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, 16 minus 24, and this is equal to minus 8 less than 0. Negative numbers are always less than 0. And if discriminant is less than 0, roots are not real. If discriminant is less than 0, roots are not real. This is the nature of roots. Then next sum, find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. If the roots exist, find them. First of all, we will find the nature of the roots. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0, first of all we will compare with the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3, 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. 12 is greater than 0. If discriminant is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Now we will find the roots. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b, b is minus 6, so minus b is 6, माइनस बी की जगह आ जाएगा 6 प्लस माइनस रूट 12 अपॉन 2a 2 इंटू 2, 6 प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 3, 2 2 जा 4, 3 जा 12 अपॉन 4, 2 कॉमन कैन बी फ्रॉम हेयर, 3 प्लस माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन 4, 2 cancel with 4, that is equal to 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. There are two roots. One is 3 plus root 3 by 2. Other is 3 minus root 3 by 2. Right? If roots are real, then find it. तो हमने इसको find कर दिया. Find the value of k for which quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 had two equal roots. We have to find the value of k for which this equation has two equal roots. This is the equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. First of all, we will compare with general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. Then discriminant b square minus 4ac, that is equal to k square minus 4 into 2 into 3, k square minus 24. And this has two equal roots. When equation has two equal roots, when discriminant is equal to 0. That is k square minus 24 equal to 0. Equation has two equal roots. K square is equal to 24, then k is equal to plus minus root 24. That is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. So k, there are two values of k, 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. Then recapitulation. What is the discriminant of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? What is the discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac. How discriminant describes the nature of the roots of quadratic equation? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. If discriminant is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. If discriminant equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If discriminant is less than 0, roots are not real. Next is if discriminant is negative. What is negative? Less than 0. Negative numbers are always less than 0. Then what is the nature of roots? Roots are not real. These are some assignments. Thank you.